During this video, we are going to show you how to align the new English GOS forms in Optisoft Enterprise. So with our patient on screen, if we then go to the GOS form icon in the ribbon, this will load up the OptiGOS screen. Down the right hand side, you have all the available GOS forms. Select one of the GOS forms and it will display that particular GOS form with the patient's information already populated. In order to calibrate the GOS forms, first of all, you have to print one off. You can do this using the printing tab down the right hand side. Select the correct printer, then click on page 1 to print the front of the GOS form. Once your form is printed, you then need to go to the Calibration tab and use the movement controls on the right hand side to make your on-screen GOS form look like your printout. So for example, if on your printout the title of the patient is appearing towards the top left of the form, you need to move the title into that position. The top control on the right hand side moves everything up, down, left and right. The bottom control stretches everything horizontally and vertically accordingly. So as mentioned, if we need the title to appear in the top corner, if we use the controls to move everything around, we can then stretch the fields accordingly. Once we have everything in position, we then click on Save Page 1 Calibration, and that will tell the software how far out of the line the fields were and make the corrections accordingly. One mistake people commonly make when trying to calibrate the GOS forms is to try and correct the form by moving the fields in the opposite direction. So for example, as mentioned, if my title was printing in the top left hand corner, what a lot of people assume you have to do is move the title over the right hand side to adjust the printing. This is not the case. You have to make the screen look like your printout so that the software then knows how far out of the line everything is printing. When clicking on Save Page Calibration, the fields will jump back to their original position. This is intended, and the changes have been made in the background. What you can then do is print a fresh copy and repeat the calibration process until everything is printing in the correct place. And that is how you align the new GOS forms in Optisoft Enterprise.